and Department of College Education, Government College Sanganer, Jaipur. It is both an honor and privilege to be standing before you today to deliver the conference speech. Myself, Dr. Professor Nandita Jain, Department of English Literature, Principal, Government College Sanganer. Government College Sanganer, established very recently, just 4 years back, is a college for social sciences and humanities. The college comprises of RPSC approved professors, assistant and associate professors in 10 subjects of arts. All programs, as per the directions of the Commissionerate College Education, are earnestly complied. NSS, Youth Excellence Programs through Yuva Vikas Kaushal, Women Orientation calendar-wise activities, extension lectures, sports, etc. are some of our essential activities for student development. We are proud that 3 of our students in sports have reached the national level and won the gold and bronze medals in archery, shining the name of Rajasthan. Our college, with the aid of NSS and youth orientation programs, will immensely contribute towards this golden vision of 2047, chiseling each student and each student in turn contributing in rebuilding the nation stronger, the dream of the Viksit Bharat of 2047. This conference is a great endeavor to transform India into a developed and prosperous nation by 2047, the 100 years of independence. The conference will be a stepping stone towards our intellectual journey together with sparkling speculations, vibrant thoughts, emerging ideas of academicians, experts, think tanks who have come from all over the nation to contribute towards a golden vision of a prosperous, developed, Viksit Bharat. This conference will be a blueprint for a brighter future where India stands as a global leader in harmony with its rich traditions, diverse culture and its commitment to modern, sustainable development. As we embark upon this intellectual journey together, our goal is to examine how India can transition into Viksit Bharat, a nation that is economically advanced. The conference opens for us the realms of tourism, rural development, social empowerment and economic growth. We have carefully sub-curated themes that cover a wide spectrum of issues and opportunities crucial to our national development and progress. In Indian tourism and culture sector, we highlight on sustainable tourism practices. For example, there is a wonderful paper presentation on tourism development in small village, a case study of Mandawa village of Rajasthan. At the same time, the role of small scale industries in strengthening India's economy is crucial too. Other crucial topics include AI, that is, its integration in judicial system, enactment of new criminal laws, intellectual property rights, digital India and cyber security, etc. Our discussion will also cover Indian knowledge systems, healthcare and well-being, India's vision for energy security, and renewable sources in the role of NEP, National Education Policy, in shaping the young minds of India through sports, media, and even cinema. As we navigate these themes, the overarching objective of this conference is clear: to provide a forum for knowledge exchange, to foster innovative ideas, and to take steps towards the realization of Viksit Bharat. Our collective knowledge and perspectives have the potential to shape the future of this great nation. Before I conclude, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the organizing committee, the faculty members, the volunteers, and all those who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to bring the conference to life. Your dedication and hard work have made this event possible, and we are truly grateful for your efforts. In the bowl of diverse themes, ideas will be churned out, ensuring a transformed society by 2047. Let each voice of the esteemed speakers, participants, and collaborators be heard in making a bright nation. The conference will stimulate in transforming and molding our youth and contributing to the holistic progress of our nation. This is a great campaign to write the future of the country. These are the words of Narendra Modi for Viksit Bharat. Let us herald an innovative thought process to lead the world in the 21st century. Thank you. Jai Hind.